Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we have another comparison video. This is to compare my newly purchased from Dior. Here is the one. This is the Lady Dior medium size and this is the My Lady small size. In this video, I'm not gonna review both of them, only do the size comparison and also the model shot. You will see what can be fit in both handbag. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. Lady Dior comes 4 sizes, from the large, medium, small, and mini. And the small size they call My Lady. So I don't have the large, as you can see, and I don't have the mini. Will I add the mini? Probably yes, 80%. Yes, I'm definitely come from the pre-love market as well as those two. I also purchased from the fashion file. Before we go to the further, so I will get the measurement first. This is the medium size. As you can see, the cloud is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the way you define the size. And so the size wise, from here to here is 9.25, and from the height from here to here is 7.5. and the deep is 4.5. It comes with the strap right here. The strap length 21 inch. The handle drop from here to here is 3.75. So that's the measurement of this, and my one is the navy blue lambskin with the gold hardware. I was very lucky that I got this one almost the half price, and this is brand new, as purchased, the original purchased on the month of the April, and I got the month of the August. So it's a 4 months old bag. It still has the plastic attached with that. That's the feature. It has the zipper closure, and the inside it's just one compartment with the inside zipper, because this color is dark, so you're not able to see this part. It has the 4 feet on the bottom, which is a nice feature of this bag. So this is the medium one. So here is the My Lady, which is a small size. The measurement you can count. It's 4 canal G, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the small size. The actual measurement from here to here is 7.75 inch, and from here to here is 7 inch, and the deep is 3.25. Handle drop from here to here is 3.25. It coming with the strap. Here is the strap. This strap is wider, so it's very comfortable, and on your shoulder is 25.25 inches. So it has no zipper closure, as you can see. It's just one piece of the flap right here, and the inside just one compartment with a zipper closure. The bottom also have the 4 feet. This is the smoky gray color with a gold hardware for the lambskin. This is all about the size wise. So now we can look at the size side by side, and you can see I put it together. So you will see that size difference. That the difference is the white one is 9.25, another one is 7.75. So it's like that. We're gonna do what can be fit. I will do as usual at and I will take the screenshot, so show you each bag what they can be fit. We will start the medium one, then we will transfer everything from medium to the small, see how many things the small can be fit. So basically every time it's the same thing that I have carried the SLG, and I'm kind of lazy person. I don't switch SLG so often. So you guys are very familiar with my SLG. So it's the Zoe wallet, and the key clay I use as a coin purse, the pocket organizer for my transportation car, and also the key holder. And I have the key clay as my credit card. I'm a little bit crazy. I think I have over 16 or 17 credit card. I've been carrying every single day. I don't know why. I'm gonna fit everything to this handbag, and I may have another video for this organizer, so I will show you guys later on. So today let's get this done. And also my cell phone. This is basically what I carry every single day, so I will show you guys. Okay, so as you can see, everything is inside now. It definitely have more room, so I will add the mini pusher and my reading glasses and my lipstick 2 case. Oh, by the way, I just want to mention, a lot of people ask me what I'm wearing on my lipstick. It is from the Canon, and the shade is raspberry. Okay, so I put the cosmetic lipstick case. That's 2 lipstick. It's kind of full and at this moment, so I'm going to add one more. My sunglasses, the soft case instead of original. It's so heavy, so you can see everything is there, so we can like that. Lady Dior, the one thing I wanted to mention, try to keep the back shape as it should be. Don't over stuff and don't over stretch. Once the shape is lost, it's no way to get it back, so keep in mind it's very important. I'll transfer everything to the small one. How much this small one can be fit, so let's try. Same thing as everything that is essential, those the piece I will try to get into this the small one here. We put the another key clay and another key clay for the coin purse, 6 key holder, and the pocket organizer. Actually, everything is going well, as you can see. However, because this is too big, so I will definitely reduce a lot of credit card. So I'm not gonna carry everything. Instead, just carry few. And then I can easily to put my cell phone inside. So I am very impressed for how many this small can be fit. It is everything that I need is already go in, except that I have to take out credit card from my key clay. Let me fit the reading glasses. Definitely, I cannot put my sunglasses can fit in the mini pusher and my lipstick case. So that's about it. You know, that's the thing that I cannot fit into this handbag, because as you can see, it's already pretty much full. As I mentioned, I don't want to stretch overload this handbag. It's supposed not lose the shape. So that's it. I am so happy. Honestly, I haven't really tried this handbag. I don't know how much this can be fit. It fits so well. So that's it. Also give the screenshot for that handbag, how much they can be fit. And the next is model shot, so you will see how it lands to my body. And for your reference, I'm 5'2", and let's take a look. Here is the side by side. As you can see, that's the difference for these 2 bags, different size for these 2 bags, difference of the size wise. So that's the difference of the size wise, very clear. And here how many stuff can be fit into the medium size. As you can see, this is reading glasses, this sunglasses, pocket organizer, cell phone, 2 lipstick, and key clay for my credit card, Zoe wallet, 6 key holder, and key clay for coin purse, and mini pusher. So that's everything the medium size can fit. And for the small size, I have to take out this mini pusher the lipstick case, the sunglasses. This is a small size which can be fit, which I think is really nice because it can fit all my essentials. So yeah. This video, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this video also very helpful for your future purchase. You have an idea what to go, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day.